Why is the war in Ukraine dominating global conflict, reports in mid-2026? The answer reveals how this conflict reshaped global power, economics, and technology like never before. The war in Ukraine still dominates because it is not just a regional conflict. It has become a focal point for global power dynamics. Major nations continue to support different sides, making it a proxy battleground for influence between East and West. This sustained involvement keeps the conflict in headlines worldwide, as every development potentially shifts alliances and strategies on a global scale. Ukraine's role as a key supplier of grain and energy resources means the war severely impacts global markets. Disruptions in exports have caused inflation and shortages in many countries. Energy supply chains have been rerouted and strained, leading to higher prices and economic uncertainty that ripple through global economies, keeping the conflict highly relevant in economic reports. The war has become a testing ground for new military technologies and cyber warfare tactics. Drones, AI-assisted targeting, and cyber attacks are used extensively, drawing intense interest from defense analysts and military enthusiasts worldwide. This technological dimension adds a layer of complexity and fascination that keeps the conflict at the forefront of news coverage. The war's devastating humanitarian toll, with millions displaced and widespread destruction, continues to dominate conflict reporting. International organizations and governments are deeply involved in aid efforts, keeping the human story alive and urgent. This ongoing crisis ensures the war remains a priority in global news and political discussions. The war in Ukraine dominates global conflict reports in mid-2026 because it combines geopolitical rivalry, economic disruption, technological innovation, and a profound humanitarian crisis. Each new development reshapes the world in unexpected ways. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.